How do you start your morning? Have you ever considered what the most effective way to kick off your day might be? Stoicism offers a wealth of insights that can guide our daily routines. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential activities you can implement every morning. These practices will not only make your day more productive but also enhance your mental and emotional well-being. First, we'll embark on an inward journey with meditation and self-reflection. Then, we'll harness the power of physical exercise to prepare our bodies for the day ahead. We'll emphasize the importance of starting our day with mindful eating habits to energize ourselves. The time we dedicate to learning and development will sharpen our minds. And finally, we'll discover how to strengthen our social and familial relationships. To see how these practices can positively impact your life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This way, you can continue to explore the role of Stoicism in your everyday life. Now, let's embark on this journey together to transform your morning. Section 1: Meditation and Self-Reflection. With the first light of day, beginning with meditation and self-reflection prepares our mind and spirit for the daily marathon ahead, as recommended by Stoicism. Meditation calms the mind and enhances focus before the stress and chaos of the day begin. A 10-minute meditation session in the morning can help you navigate your entire day with more control and awareness. Self-reflection, on the other hand, is the practice of reviewing ourselves and our goals. During this process, we assess what we've learned from the previous day's experiences and set our intentions for the new day. Self-reflection motivates us and provides the inner strength necessary to achieve our daily goals. To implement these practices, find a quiet and peaceful corner. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and detach yourself from the challenges that the day may bring. Allow your thoughts to flow but do not get stuck on them. After completing your meditation, write down your goals and priorities for the day on a piece of paper or a digital device. This morning ritual ensures you remain calm and prepared for the challenges you will face throughout the day. This simple yet effective start will make you more resilient and focused against any situation you encounter during the rest of the day. Remember, the short time you dedicate to yourself every morning shapes your entire day. Section 2: Physical Exercise. Physical exercise should be an essential part of your morning routine. Stoicism emphasizes the connection between the mind and body. Therefore, by strengthening our bodies, we also support our mental well-being. Morning exercises boost blood circulation and increase energy levels, helping you stay more alert and focused throughout the day. You can start by waking up your body with simple stretching exercises. Follow this with activities like aerobic exercises, strength training, or a brisk walk. These activities not only reduce stress levels but also boost the release of endorphins, creating an overall sense of well-being. The duration and intensity of your exercise should be personalized. The key is to find movements that suit your body without pushing yourself too hard. When establishing your morning exercise routine, focus on how you feel as you start your day. Set a pace that boosts your energy and keeps your motivation high throughout the day. Remember, morning exercise is not just a physical activity, it's also a mental preparation process. This routine will make you more resilient against the challenges of the day and enhance your personal discipline, reinforcing the Stoic values of self-control and endurance. With every movement, you are also training your mind, preparing yourself for the day ahead. Section 3: Mindful Eating. Just as important as how you start your day is what you start it with. A Stoic lifestyle is built on balance and moderation. Therefore, the first food choices you make in the morning directly affect your energy and mood for the rest of the day. Mindful eating not only maintains your physical health but also enhances your mental clarity, helping you think more clearly throughout the day. Starting your day with an energizing and nutritious breakfast means providing the right fuel for the day ahead. A breakfast rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates keeps your energy levels stable and prevents sudden hunger pangs. By avoiding processed foods and consuming fresh, natural ingredients, you cleanse both your body and mind from unnecessary burdens. Another crucial aspect of mindful eating is eating slowly. Instead of rushing through your meals, savor each bite and truly feel satisfied, nourishing your mind as well. This practice reflects the essence of a Stoic lifestyle, staying present and appreciating every moment. The first meal of the day is more than just a physical need, it's a mental preparation. Starting your day with a mindful and balanced breakfast prepares both your body and mind for the challenges ahead. Remember, how you nourish yourself also influences how you think, so as you nourish your mornings, don't forget to nourish your mind as well. Section 4. Learning and Development. Dedicating a short period of time to yourself every morning is a great opportunity for learning and personal growth. For Stoics, lifelong learning and self-improvement are among the most important virtues. This morning time is an investment not just in acquiring knowledge, but also in keeping your mind sharp and standing strong against the challenges that life throws your way. Engaging in reading, learning a new language, or listening to personal development content in the early hours of the day keeps your mind alert and active. Activities conducted in the quiet of the morning make it easier to focus and help you absorb information more effectively. Reading a few pages of a book or watching a short video on a topic that interests you can serve as an inspiration for the rest of the day. Learning is not just about accumulating information, it also broadens your perspective and allows you to see the world through a different lens. In a Stoic approach, each piece of new knowledge makes us more conscious, patient, and understanding individuals. Therefore, take a few minutes each morning to learn something new. Remember, this investment in yourself every morning will return to you as energy, motivation, and determination throughout the day. A mind equipped with knowledge has the strength to handle any challenge the day may bring. By learning something new every day, you not only improve yourself but also unlock the doors to a Stoic way of living. Section 5. Social and Family Relationships. The early hours of the day are not just a time for ourselves but also a great opportunity to connect with our loved ones. For Stoics, strong social and family bonds are a crucial source of support in facing life's challenges. Spending time with family members or close friends in the morning can help set a positive tone for the day. Chatting with family members over breakfast, enjoying a coffee together, or taking a short walk with loved ones nourishes not only your physical health but also your emotional well-being. These simple moments strengthen your bonds before the stress of the day begins and give you energy. Additionally, these shared moments encourage you to stay present and help you feel more balanced throughout the rest of the day. Stoicism teaches us to accept the transient nature of life, so recognizing the value of the time spent with your loved ones and making these moments meaningful is an important part of a Stoic approach. The attention and connection you show to your loved ones in the morning help both you and them have a more peaceful and happy day. Remember, strong relationships are our most valuable treasures, not just in tough times but always. That's why spending a few minutes each morning with your loved ones can help you approach the rest of the day with a more positive mindset. Investing in your social bonds benefits both you and those around you, so don't neglect this small but powerful morning ritual. Our mornings set the tone for the rest of our day. Stoics believe that managing life is directly connected to how we start our day. The 5 simple yet effective morning rituals discussed in this video are powerful steps that prepare you both physically and mentally for the challenges ahead. Calming your mind with meditation and self-reflection, strengthening your body with physical exercise, balancing your energy with mindful eating, feeding your mind with learning and development, and nourishing your soul by spending time with your loved ones. These rituals will reshape your mornings and transform you into a more focused, happier, and resilient person. Incorporating these simple habits into your life helps develop the core Stoic values of self-discipline and inner tranquility. These brief moments you dedicate to yourself in the early morning hours will rejuvenate you not just physically but also spiritually. Remember, each day is a new beginning, and every morning is an opportunity to create a better version of yourself. Making the most of these opportunities is not just about how you start your day but also about how you manage your life. If you decide to integrate these morning rituals into your daily routine, you will begin to experience all the benefits Stoicism has to offer. The time you invest in yourself will return as greater peace, more energy, and a stronger mind. Now it's your turn. Apply these suggestions in your life and enjoy the transformation. If you enjoyed our video and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more and bring the practical aspects of Stoicism to you. Also, share your thoughts and experiences about your morning routine in the comments below. Your insights help us learn and grow together on this journey. Every morning is a new beginning. Are you ready to reshape your life with Stoic discipline? If so, subscribe, comment, and join us.